Hey ladies, it's Ashley with Melanin Beauty Boutique, and it is Easter Sunday. We are having Easter dinner with my family, so if you want to see how that goes, keep watching. In your name we pray. Bless us, O Lord, and these thy gifts, which we're about to receive from thy bounty through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Amen. Amen.
What do you think?
It's like, I feel like I'm in a Jamaican food kitchen.
You got a little bit of everything? Oh, it's almost gone. All I see is buns.
On the oxtail, though.
Yeah, I know that was your favorite.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at my baby sleeping. Yeah, your plate's almost gone.
I wish you could try this.
He can't try that till he's like much older. Although he's smart enough, he might get to have some before then. How was your food?
Good, I'm so full.
All right, let's check, see how they're doing. We're gonna play a game next. How was your food? Oh, there's your plate. It's done.
Yeah,
Guess it was delicious.
It was.
Yeah, okay. All right. How's your food, ma'am?
It's good.
Yeah.
I'm about to go get my little man.
Your what?
My little man.
Oh, yeah, he's asleep. So, yeah, I'd appreciate if you leave him that way. Because,
Is he in the bed asleep?
yes. Yep. And how are you, doggy poo-poo? Poo-poo, doggy? Poo-poo man? My little poo-poo? How are you? How are you, poo-poo man? How's my poo-poo man? You good? Yeah. No oxtails for you. Oh, yeah, that was great. Oh, yeah. All the delicious food here, Easter Sunday. Yes, let's see what we got left. Here's the oxtails. Got a lot of that left. I'm guessing people will probably take pictures to, not take pictures, what am I talking about? Make plates to go home, because this is so good. And there is the cabbage. Yum, yum, yum. We had some salmon, which is delicious, and some grilled chicken wings. So grilled salmon and chicken wings. Only 4 wings left. The wings must have been good. And we had some string beans, which were also very tasty. And some red beans and rice, peas and rice, whatever you want to call it. That's what we got here. And some mac and cheese. Man, this mac and cheese was oh so good. So freaking good. Yes, I put my foot in that. Uh-huh. And for dessert, we have some sweet potato pie and we have some chocolate cake. So, yep, that's what we got going on. So that was my Easter dinner with my family. We ate some food, we played some games, great laughs, great fun during this pandemic, during everything that's going on during quarantine, still having fun. So let me know how your Easter went. Leave some comments, subscribe to our channel at Melanin Beauty Boutique. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you next time. Bye.